Hi, this is Mike. Most of you know me as Be Happy. There were some questions about lighting a smoker online, and I thought I would show the trick that I learned from Robbo and JP and some others. You can see this soup can is drilled full of holes. I've got green cedar in here. Of course, use the fuel of your choice. I know there's disputes about cedar, but I've been using it for a year, and the bees are fine. So this is my trick. These paint removing hot air guns are about 24 bucks. I know, like a beekeeper needs to buy more stuff, but they get extremely hot, and you just run it on the bottom through the holes for a minute. You see smoke coming out already. It's not lit yet, not where it'll stay lit, so we just keep this thing running until I get some flames. And that sounds like fire to me. Okay, just thought I'd share that and pass it along. There you have it.